Peace be upon you. Today we are going to discuss about humanity. So, what is humanity? We have discussed already. So today its main component, its important component or element, which is respect. Respect for humanity, and others elements are kindness for humanity, love for humanity, peace for humanity, compassion for humanity, unity for humanity, truthness for humanity. But today we are discussed just about respect for humanity, which refer to valuing human dignity, rights, equality, and individual freedom. Humanity. Humanity itself a dignity. Respect is the foundation of human uh, and ethical behavior. So, next, we all know that respect, without respect, we can't say that we are with humanity. So, politeness. Politeness is a way which make a heart to smile. So, smiling with heart. So, we should think before speaking, air, and practice compassion. Respect is an important component or element of personal self identity and interpersonal relationship. Showing compassion is the best example of respect. Showing compassion is the best example of respect. So, how to show respect? Number first is listen to others. Listen to others. Affirm people's opinion. So respect their opinions. Empathize with different perspectives. Disagree respectfully. Disagree respectfully. Apologize when you are in the wrong. Compliment the achievement of others. Show gratitude. Gratitude is one of also best example of respect. It means saying thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much is a very lovely prayer which opens the hearts of others with smiling. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks all. So now I am going to thanks of all of you. I would like to names. I would like to thank all of you who are participating, who are encouraging, who are cooperating with this program, this lovely program. This program is just for you. This program is all of you. So, who are doing a great job on this lovely planet. Supposing that we are one family, we are one family on this lovely planet. And thank you so much for all of you who are making this planet so lovely, so beautifully, and so peaceful. So I would like to names, special names. Thank you so much, respected teacher Rose Treffs. Thank you so much. You are a good example on this lovely planet because you are trying to make this world so peaceful, so lovely, and so beautiful for others with positive, with positivity. And respected Alicia Johnson Maji, you are also doing a great job for making this world so peaceful, so beautiful, and so lovely. And teacher, one teacher, the most favorite teacher of USA, and a famous educationist, Seth D. King. Respected Seth D. King, you are very great teachers. I like your methodology of teaching, and I salute you and a lot of respect for you. So others' name also are in my mind. For example, there are many internationals. Mubashir Mubin, thank you so much, Mubashir Mubin. Thank you so much, uh, Yasmin from Egypt. Thank you so much, Ashfaq Ahmed from UAE. Thank you so much, Nadeem Khan Abbasi from Saudi Arab. Thank you so much, Sabar Hussain from Spain. Thank you so much, Naveed Akbar Aga, which is my friend and my class fellow. Thank you so much, Aga ji. And there are also others' names. Thank you so much, Javed Mir from Muree. Thank you so much, Ashfaq Ahmed Awan from Muzaffarabad. And my family members, my relatives, my friends, my class fellows, I would like to thank you so much. So, thank you so much is a prayer which opens the hearts of others. So, with smiling hearts. So, it's a great example of respect. So, a great respect from my side to all of you. Thank you so much.